Use your legs, Griffin. Use your legs. Yeah, don't rush it, honey. Griffin, use your legs, honey.
It's about halfway.
Legs. 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 There you go. There you go. Use your legs, sweetie. Legs.
Good job, Griffin. Yeah, you did awesome.
You had your arm.